You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from French, hence its unusual spelling. For reference, in French it is pronounced as roulade, which is why in English it's normally pronounced as roulade. Let's break down the pronunciation. Roulade. So you have a long ad sound, and the stress is on that second lad syllable. How to pronounce roulade. Roulade pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.